Hola from the Dominican Republic. We're glad you're watching. Journey with us as we take you to the sun-kissed sands of Encentro Beach and explore The Wave, brand new, unique, and boutique oceanfront condos set along this picturesque, pristine area of the north coast of the DR. But before we do, we have a few questions for you. Are you watching because you're tired of winter, the cold, looking to escape to perpetual summer? Are you considering a diversified real estate investment in an area where vacationers book travel all year long and rental returns are robust? Maybe you're considering a change in your life to a tropical escape, either part-time or full-time. If so, you're in good company and in the right place. The Wave Condos and the Dominican Republic offer an exceptional way of life. And not just because of the incredible year-round tropical weather with no hurricanes. It's also a safe, secure real estate investment, has first-world infrastructure and services, and a thriving expat and vacationer community. Mix in that it's much more affordable than North America, and you have a series of pros not found anywhere else. The Wave Condos on Encentro Beach is the icing on an already amazing cake. Conveniently located just 25 minutes from the airport, it's easily accessible for international travelers. Encentro has become the fastest-growing area on the north coast of the DR, and people love it for its water sports, vibrant community, beautiful scenery, and eclectic, welcoming atmosphere. The average temperature is 28 degrees Celsius or 82 Fahrenheit all year long. The food is fresh and the prices are low. In fact, the North Coast is the fastest growing economy in the DR, with more investments coming all the time. The Wave is the premier development in the area. It's a thoughtfully designed community of 193 condos in 3 unique curved buildings, all connected by sparkling pools, a large clubhouse, beachside restaurant, pool bar, and lush tropical gardens. Privacy and connectivity both thrive here. As a developer, we have a long-standing, almost 30-year reputation of building great communities in the DR. Spend your days by the beachside infinity pool, try your hand at surfing, wander down the beach to a bohemian surfside restaurant, shop, or just enjoy the view from your terrace. For something different, beach towns like Cabarete and Sosua are only a 10-minute drive. There you'll find medical services, large supermarkets, a variety of restaurants, and much more. Enjoy the best of the DR and none of the hustle of North America. For owners who'd like to rent their condo, The Wave will be operated by a hotel management company. Having this professional service means you'll have the ability to earn rental income with no headaches, no need to do your own marketing, and you can know your condo will be well taken care of. Your renters will be assured of a well-serviced vacation, from their excellent booking experience to their return to the airport, making vacationers who return year upon year. In a nutshell, The Wave has been designed for people just like you. Tropical-loving expats who want an active community, unsurpassed views, first-rate services, executive finishing, and a laid-back, organic way of life. Whether you plan to live here part-time or full-time, The Wave is for anyone looking to live their best life in an affordable, artfully designed package. Why not come for a visit and see why The Wave is the premier development on the north coast of the Dominican Republic and why it just might be perfect for you?